3 things you should never do if you have plans to commercialize your Insta and Facebook account. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Accept greetings whatever time this beautiful piece get to you. In today's episode, we'll be talking about 3 things that you should never do if you are thinking of monetizing your Instagram or your Facebook account. These 3 things I'm going to mention today, it be very important. It is extremely important you know these 3 things. And please, if you're watching us for the first time, like, comment, and share this video. Like, comment, and share the video. And make sure you watch it till the end. Because after watching this video, you're going to scream. You're going to be so motivated and inspired. So let me start with the first thing you should never do. Things you should never do. Number 1, we have posting of nude pictures and videos. Very important. I see people posting Gola and the rest. I cannot call it. Mark is always there. He's always there to pursue us. I see people posting pictures of, people not wearing, bola and showing their bola, showing their pekus and the rest. That is very sensitive to the Facebook robot. You have to be very careful. Don't post anything related to that. And please, don't share as well. Don't share anything related to that. You might think that, I just shared it and I did not post it. No, don't post and don't dare share pictures and video of that sort. The second thing is using of vulgar languages. This one is so sensitive. When I talk of vulgar languages, I'm talking about language like the F words and the rest. Languages that are very, like you pronounce somebody's pekus in the name you pronounce somebody bola, some words like that. Please avoid them. That is very sensitive to the Facebook robot. And the last one, in fact, this one, it can take your Facebook account or your Instagram account. In fact, you never see it. This one is very sensitive. Be careful. This one, it is about gender. Don't discriminate any gender on Facebook. This one, if you just dare, the account is gone. If you start calling what our brother, our sister Bob is doing, all those, I don't want to call it here, you can understand. If you start calling that name like this one, this man is I don't want to call it, this man is this man, this girl is this man, this boy is this man. Your page don't go so. You don't even have to mention that, because when you mention that one, your page is gone. Or that profile or that account is gone. So please be very careful when it comes to these 3 things. The first one I mentioned is what? I mentioned about posting of pictures that are not acceptable by the Facebook. I don't want to call it nude pictures. That one is very dangerous. The second one is using of vocal languages. I'm talking about the F words, some words like you want to pass somebody and the rest. That one is also very sensitive. And the last one, don't marginalize any gender. Don't suppress any gender. Every gender is equal. So if you want to say that this man is this man, like you want to say Auntie Bob is this man, Mommy of Lagos is this man, okay, be ready to create a new page. So my people, that is all I came today to inform us. And please, if you like this video, like I said, don't hesitate to like, comment, and share the video. Share the video massively. And when you share, please, you can also buy your stars. Buy your stars, so we are eating. We need to also eat now or more. Please. And our YouTube channel, I always insist on this. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. The link to our channel is in the comment section below. Time to time, so I'll be coming with more tips. Now I'm free, I can do more, So if you motivate me, more tips are going to be coming. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. The link to our channel is in the comment section below, this one here. Or you can still search on YouTube, AMP TV. Search on YouTube. It is there on YouTube. Subscribe and motivate your brother. Thank you very much and hope to see you again in our next video. Bye-bye.